Hello, I hope you are well. Today is a travel day, 18 July, 18 June. So now we still have to take some material down, then we'll leave.
Mixing yellow now.
Here is a job advert. So now in Mpumalanga, I don't know what the name of this place is, but we're here just to buy some things. That is a mine over there, and it's my first time seeing one. Now we have to leave. Welcome to Mpumalanga. There's just a quick stop to use a bathroom, and we're only few kilometers away from where we're going, which is in Mbombela. So we'll see you there. This is where we are. I can't even pronounce that name. Skomanskruf. And that is our car. And man, that is a good car. Stereo Hyundai, I mean, like, I will buy that car if I want a family car in future. Should I need one?
Second night,
Arrived alive in this hotel called Chili Pepper Boutique. Take a look. Checked in. Now my room number is 214 214 16. What? At the corner here. How many times when you get into a room you see a bathroom? Arrived alive. So this is my first video on YouTube, right? So if you are interested in learning more about my story, because I've been uploading videos on Facebook for the past few months, this is episode 76. So if you're interested in learning more, I included my Facebook page on the description below. So we're here in Mbombela in Mpumalanga, right, for a program similar to the one that we had in Northwest in Mafikeng. So it's tomorrow, but I'm going to explain it to you tomorrow, on the next episode. Now I'm just going to show you a very quick room tour in this place. The hotel is called Green Pepper Chili or Chili Pepper something, as you saw. I'm just going to show you a quick room tour, and then we're going to go downstairs to eat dinner. And then after that, today is Wednesday, so I was supposed to lift some weights. And there's a gym here, so we're going to go to the gym and then see what the night has. Otherwise, let's do a really quick room tour. Alright, so you enter the room, and behind you is the bathroom. In front of you is the door. First time seeing such thing. You have a tub. Behind me is a shower. There is also a toilet and toilet paper. Then when you get in, you have your sink, you have your two mirrors, and then this side is your bedroom, This is your table, and then you work on that side over there. So that is it. That is a quick room tour. I will make an official video tomorrow, just a room tour of this video. Now let's go to eat dinner. Just ate dinner. Now I'm going back to my room, and then after that I want to go to the gym. Few hours, not few hours, just few minutes, and then we'll see. Slight change of plans. The time now is 9 o'clock at night. I'm very tired. Tomorrow I'm waking up very early, so I'm not going to the gym. I'm just going to sleep now and then go to the gym tomorrow morning. So that means I will see you tomorrow morning. That was it for this vlog, and tomorrow I will explain everything. This workshop, where we are, and stuff like that. So now let me just sleep, and then I will see you tomorrow, because it's quite late and we're waking up very early in the morning. So it's not in my best interest to sleep very night, because tomorrow I'll be groggy and I won't be as productive as I have to, because I need to be very productive. And also I want to take content, video, writing and stuff like that. So I need to be sharp. I can't sleep late. That is my excuse for not going to the gym for today, So I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.